all know it as Battleship?
Yes.
My rules are a little bit different. So, what you're going to do is you're going to have about 6 to 8 people on your ship. And the object of the game is to knock down the other ship's pins, right? Okay, and so there's one person on the scooter, and that person can go out anywhere and get balls for their ship. So what you're going to do is you're allowed to stand up, and you're allowed to have 1 foot on the mat and 1 foot off. So when you have 1 foot off, you can like reach for stuff, right? So you can get as far reach as you can to get a ball. But if you take a step off, what happens if you're in motion? Yeah, you sink to the bottom and you're shark bait. So if that happens, you're going to come over here and you're going to do 10 jumping jacks. Once you finish your 10 jumping jacks, you can come back onto the boat and play with your team. Now, if all of your pins get knocked down, your whole team has to come off and do 10 jumping jacks, and then everyone can come back on. Does that make sense?
One person goes on?
Everybody.
And then we get
If all your pins get knocked down, then everybody on the ship has to go off.
And then when we get back on, do we have to set up our pins?
Yes, when you come back on, you set your pins back on, or back up, and you restart.
This is going to take forever. Do you roll the ball?
Wait, you have to raise your hand if you have questions. Yes.
Can you knock down all of their pins and just go back? Or can you only knock down individual ones and then go back?
Well, you just have to knock down all of their pins for you to stay
So if
afloat,
we just
right?
go on the scooter, we can just knock them all down.
Yes. Yes. Can you what?
Can you throw them?
Yes. You're allowed to throw the balls, roll the balls, however you can get
Can we kick them?
to knock. No, you cannot kick balls. Yes.
And whenever you're in your scuba gear, can you grab balls and throw at other teams?
When you're riding around on the scooter? Good question. No, you can. The person that's on the scooter can only retrieve the balls. Okay?
Oh, I know what the scooter means. It's like a submarine.
Yes. It's kind of like a little float that helps you go get your balls out. Yes.
The person on the scooter, when all the pins get knocked down on their ship, do they also have to go?
Yes, because you're part of the crew, right? So you also have to do your 10 jumping jacks. Does anybody else have any questions?
What if someone's not honest?
Honest? That's where me, Miss Jada, and Coach B come in. We're going to be watching. And if anybody steps off, we're going to tell them to go do their 10 jumping jacks. And we're going to watch if all the pins are knocked down on a team, then we're going to tell them to get off and do 10 jumping jacks. Okay? So everybody got it?
Yeah.
You ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, divide yourselves up into your teams.
And